So I've actually shared this BrainBox The World with you guys before. I'm going to leave the affiliate link in the comment box below because I really do think it's something you should check out. But whether you're running a homeschool or a classroom school or a play-based education program, I just thought it was a really fun idea. I just wanted to share with you because I think it's totally cool. So you open up the BrainBox, every kid lines up, and every kid randomly chooses one. Now that they chose one, that is their assignment. That's it. We're good to go. But here's the guidelines. They have to look at the place. They have to do research on the place. And to make it, more educational and fun, there's two parts to the assignment. Part number one is this gives you ideas. So there's scuba diving, coconuts, turtles. They have to pick something from here. So kind of to help them get started with the research and to pick an angle that they would like. And the second part is pick something different that's not on the card. So you're kind of making them think both, no pun intended, but in the BrainBox and out of the BrainBox. And as you could see here, there really are a lot of different cards. And so as far as education, the kids can go throughout the whole entire world. Now, if you are a homeschool and you have younger kids, well, then you know what? Take a card and just have them research something on the card, because younger kids don't, obviously depending, but some younger kids can't really sit and focus and do so much research. This is a great beginner. And then at the same time, you have an older kid who can do more research. Well, then you know what? Give them the card and see where they could take that research, and be just fun to compare and contrast. So this is just a really fun idea to do both in a classroom. I'm going to leave the affiliate link to this below. This is BrainBox The World Edition, and I am a huge, huge supporter. It is so much fun. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to the game below because the game was great. Playing this game is great. Using it for education is even better. So this is in my opinion, this is one of the must-haves. If you like this video and want to see more, well, feel free to subscribe to my channel, like the video, let me know what you think. Let me know if there's something that you want to see academically, educationally, because I'm here for my kids, for your kids, and you'll see this with time, but the happier your kids are, the more fun they're having, and the more they're learning, and the key is fun and learning. I can't stress it enough. BrainBox is just one of those toys that bring fun, learning, happiness, and education all into one. BrainBox! Happy playing!